Get rid of it. Save. Honestly, it's a bit strange. Let's go ahead and see if the audio is being. Straight orbits. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a stream test. Testing out the restream and FB gaming. It is. Okay, so I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead to Dream Manager. How do you even see the icon? I have no idea. Okay. Alright. Okay. Mute button. Test. Yeah. Test. Why is it doing that? I would have known if people are on the FB gaming, so I won't be able to see any of that. Give me a second, almost done. Okay, welcome to day 9 of learning Bifrost. Stream was complete disaster. It kept crashing when I tried to mess around with the water stuff, and so for today, I'm actually gonna take you and ZBrush first, and then come back to Maya. Go ahead and actually do that. Quick. it shows up. Go. Go up. Options. Visible. Screen's a bit cut off, which is fine. So dude, it's Zarhu. Oh my god. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So today I'm gonna be in ZBrush, model something real quick, and then we're gonna go back to Maya Bifrost to do some simulations. Yesterday's stream was just, it was terrible. It was really bad. My mic crashed so many times. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. And this is the first stream too that I'm streaming on FB Gaming. So hopefully everything is fine. Just relaxing, nice. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more challenging. I think the issue is that I try to do something new every day, and I'm like forgetting like what I did yesterday. So I think I should like just focus on just one thing for like 3 days or something, and then do something like completely new. So I think that's to do it. So let me load up the image character I'm gonna be making real quick. So what I want to do, see if I can take advantage something new every 3 days challenge. Oh yeah, I made the this finally. That's the schedule, I guess. What I'm gonna be doing. So as you see, February we're doing Bifrost as well, and then next month anime, and then sketch, UV, unwrapping, and so on and so forth. So change like the order. Rigging is like a character or something, like model a character. It's basically putting bones on it so it can move. That's basically what rigging is. So like, for like animation type of stuff, I kind of want to do that more toward the end. And like modeling stuff is more like the more earlier thing, yeah. And then, so you can see, December, that's when I do the animated shorts. That's when I make an anime. It's not, I don't know if it's gonna be that type of style or not, I don't know. I want to make something like a story, a short story type of thing. And yeah, alright, so it's been 10 minutes already. Let's actually get started here. So let me guess way too low for me. animate yourself, animating yourself. Yeah, that'd be funny. Alright, so let me open the references here. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with something like that. Lower. Yeah, a little lower, please. Should animate Czar. Make a VTuber model. I'm still working on the fan art, okay? That's still working on that. It's a blade, but I just want it to be really good. So yeah. It doesn't have to be like on point. Because this definitely has to be all together and not separated. I'm thinking is it's gonna work or not. Jesus, look at that link. Oh, it's still loading for me. Yes. Yeah, basically. Stuff takes time, man. Takes time. I just want it to be the benchmark. I want it to be like the first Zarhu fan art ever. I want to be best. Should I do this? Should I go on? Just move it a little bit. Just do the body. Here. It's already the best. Even though you haven't seen it yet. Okay, so this is way too dense. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. Let me use these first. Okay, oops. Was it R or was it E? It's E. Oh. Huge. Something like that. configure. Okay. BRB real quick. Turn back. How's the... Okay. How do I do this? Okay. Just double check. Okay, I think it's fine. It's the maximum. No, 18 minutes already. Alright, so then let's put other sea sphere in here. Displays. Bum, bum, bum. One thing I want to figure out is how to split the audio. Because right now for Twitch and YouTube, you should be hearing the radio music from Diverse System, and then for Pixiv and FB Gaming, well, FB Gaming is gonna be muted, whatever. But for Pixiv, want to see if I can have the music that I actually listen to right now. That'd be something I'd like to try. My OBS is like so crowded right now, it's insane. let's just do the tail. Like right now I can't even hear the radio music. It's just me playing my own. Like I use Voicemeeter to do that. But then there's like a plugin for OBS now that has... Oh wait, is it like that? There's a plugin that pretty much does what Voicemeeter does, but it's like native to OBS, or not native, but like it's a plugin. And then like 1 or 2 hours before I started stream, I figured out how to put this, which is pretty cool. So I'll put it on the Discord in a bit, like after I stream. So that tape. I have to keep in mind that this has to be together. In order for what I'm trying to do work. And like you need Voicemeeter or that OBS plugin. I forgot what it's called. And then you need virtual cables. Because Google Chrome is on virtual cable A. And then that plugs into Voicemeeter. Like the first hardware input. And then you would put it on OBS. Virtual cable A. So like it will play the music or like back whatever, but then you can mute it for yourself, and then you can I think it's something like that, I don't know. And then you can just play your own music without having to worry about without it being on stream. Okay. There's something like this. It's a lot of stuff going on right now. Okay, is there anyone? I don't want to be... Okay, there's 0. Okay. Alright, so let's just legs, hands. This has to be together. Guess I can just snake it. Well, the problem is suddenly stretching out the tree. Just I think that's fine. If I try to make it in thinner, I feel like there's gonna be problems. Oh god, I'm so weird. bigger. Just gonna go with, oops, just gonna go with 3. That would have to do. I think that's fine. Man, I see you. I will just paint it. Let's go ahead and go to adaptive skin preview. I think that's fine. Preview, make adaptive skin. That's it. Inserts. Okay, I didn't need to do that. Alright. Smooth it out. Bits. I can't. It's what I'm gonna do is it's gonna be different. It's a mirror road. And then here, same thing. Depth of skin. Let's just make it. And then subtool. Inserts. Peanuts. Let's go to change. Yeah, I think that's fine. Mirror and wheels. Now we have the very basic. Oh, yeah, his tail. Okay, so we kind of make put one here. Let's to skin, make it that skin. It used to just like automatically. Okay, start the solution. Okay, everything's good. So far, so good. Maybe I can try to use the spiral. Where's it? I need to go the other way. Looks like it's too... Alright, so, next thing to do is okay, let's go to okay, let me two. Yeah. If I try to put that, I'm not entirely sure how to double here. I don't do any hard surface modeling on ZBrush that much. Something like that. It's here. But how am I gonna do this with rest? Yeah, it's safe. And next thing we're going to merge. Down. Down. Yeah. Down. So I merge them. And then that's dynamic. Yeah. I hope. Actually, see what happens. Merge down. It has to be together. It has to be. It has to be. So we use Dynamesh to put it together. Good old zebra mesher. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, we've got very rough. No, nothing's finished. Now the next thing is poly paint. So we're gonna use roadkill UVs, the worst UVs that anyone can use. It'd be best if you were to use in Blender or Maya, but for this case, I just need to put UVs. So we will use this. UV under. Okay, and then should be a mess. And I'm even gonna try and do it. So I know it's terrible. Okay, and let's go ahead and see, colors over here. Color pick. Let's change the material to what was it? Something like little objects. And this is that you have to have very high subdivisions when you paint on a model, because if you try to paint like this will happen. Low res. And now, so divide. The more you divide, the more like softer it is, more clear. So go ahead and draw out the mouth. I'm just following this image. This text actually shaped. It's like dark red first. And teeth, we'll just paint that on. Probably should have put more subdivisions. It's gonna look scary. Get a little bit. strong. And where's my other one? Do I have it in here? I don't think I have it. $21 minutes. God. What happened to my paintbrushes? Guess they're not here anymore. Paint this quick. So we got a very basic model here. It's painted. This will work. I think. Hopefully. So now let's go ahead and take this out. Texture. To pixelated. And let's go ahead and take the body out. Let's make sure we save. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to Maya. Or go back to Maya. And just to save a little bit of time, like always, I pre-did the graph here, and basically I want to turn it to a cloth, and then I want to see if I can rip it apart. Basically mess around. Alright, so now play 2 up, okay. Give me a second. Go on. Cable it. Okay. Click on. Alright, so unhook. I forgot to say this. Same one, whatever. Let's go ahead. Drag and drop the body OBJ. And let's see, middle mouse drag here. And a geometry. And hide original body. Alright, so since it's a little bit more complex, this may take a while. But hopefully my voice is not distorted. You can basically see that it is now turned into like a crappy plushie, I guess. You can see it's like all smushed. Okay, so yeah, let's put the material on it. I wonder if I were to put no subdivisions on. Okay, it's still pretty. It's still slow. Alright, so let's put it on material. Let's go to the hyper shade. Light tone. Middle mouse drag that to here. To surface material. Set to clutch. So if we were to render, it should show up. And please, Maya, don't crash. Please, 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 do not crash. For the love of God. Let me put it up here. Where is it? It's taking its time. Is it gonna crash? It's not responding. Not responding. Oh, it's Ricky. It renders. Okay. Alright, so let's put a base color. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Let's change the color space to aces. Because I am now too used to using them at this point. Okay, it's a lot of waiting. Yes, it's fine. Alright, so, okay. Sorry about that, and the next thing is to put the texture that we... Stop. Oh my god, dude, I am so laggy. Look at those UVs, it's so bad. And then change the color space to utility sRGB texture. And we got color. We got color, yay. Let's go ahead and back to the main settings. Let's mess around with the tone map here. It looks very flat. Let's go ahead. Fix that. Okay, I guess I have to turn that on. I was hoping that would work, but I guess not. Get rid of the sky dome. Wow, I am super laggy. I am very laggy. Alright, so it's about to be an hour. So I'm gonna end stream. I am unbelievably laggy. Sorry. Seriously, what's up? Alright, so this is basically what's gonna happen. Let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so this is basically the animation. Let me move this up here. So it'd be cool, probably way later in the month, is to like actually make it pretty realistic, kind of like an actual plushie like this. Instead of just going flat like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna pretty much let this thing render. I would just like to say that all final images are on my Twitter, images and the animations as well. I always post it there. And yeah, it's pretty much, I think that's pretty much it. I couldn't figure out the strands or the flow lines, so for the peeps on YouTube, I probably should have said this in the beginning. The peeps on YouTube couldn't figure it out. I still had to figure that thing out. So kind of like in the beginning, I'm gonna do another cloth tomorrow because I realized that I'm trying to do something new every day, and that's like not working on learning. I'm trying to learn Bifrost, so cloth, and then next one is gonna be like something different, like strands for like 3 or 4 days, since I'm like forgetting what I did yesterday. So alright guys, this is it. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of day 9. See you tomorrow for day 10. Bye.